to chemistry class. Okay, today's topic is a simple. I will give one question to you. Try to answer that and keep the answer in comments. Okay. So the question, the topic is belongs to Van Hoff's factor. Van Hoff's factor. సో ఈ బ్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ అబ్నార్మల్ మోలార్ మాసెస్ అనేది మనం ఒకసారి ఆల్రెడీ ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాము ఒక వీడియోలో. సో నౌ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దట్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ఏ క్వశ్చన్ టు యూ. ఓకే, సీ హియర్, వాట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ what is Van Hoff factor of acetic acid in water as well as benzene respectively? Let us go for options. Okay, if it is multiple choice question, how will be it? Let us see. Option A, 1 and 2. Option B, 1 and 1. Like that, the options will be. Okay. So here, let us consider acetic acid as 1 mole. సో ఎస్టిక్ యాసిడ్ని ఇప్పుడు కూడా మనం ఎస్టిక్ యాసిడ్ కావచ్చు ఏదైనా కాంపౌండ్ వాడు మోల్ నెంబర్ స్పెసిఫై చేయకుండా మనకి ఇచ్చినప్పుడు వీ హ్యావ్ టు కన్సిడర్ ఇట్ యాజ్ 1 మోల్, వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎస్టిక్ యాసిడ్, ఆర్గానిక్ యాసిడ్, బెంజోయిక్ యాసిడ్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్. ఓకే, సో నౌ లెట్ us see what is Van Hoff factor. Van Hoff factor is equal to I. Okay, Van Hoff factor I is equal to number of particles after dissociation or association divided by number of particles before dissociation or association. So this is the abbreviation of representation of Van Hoff factor. Factor I is equal to number of particles after dissociation or association, number of divided by number of particles before dissociation or association. Okay, so now యాక్చువల్గా నేను మీకు ముందు ఆన్సర్ మీరు సాల్వ్ చేసి కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో పెట్టమని చెప్పాను, బట్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం కాబట్టి ఐ విల్ డూ ఇట్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ యూ కెన్ డూ సమ్ అదర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. సో I is equal to this. Let us consider benzene. Benzene is non-polar solvent. Okay, so in non-polar solvent, acetic acid undergo association. Okay, so what is another solvent given here? Water. Water is polar solvent. So what happens in polar solvent means, being acetic acid is electrolyte, it undergoes dissociation. Okay, this is the basic concept. First we have to find what is polar solvent and what is non-polar solvent among the given solvents present in the problem. After picking up the nature of solvents given in the problem and knowing what will happen if acetic acid dissolved in those solvents, then we will go for clear solution. Okay. Let us see, if you keep acetic acid, I will take AA for acetic acid. Acetic acid in water. So let us see what will takes place if you dissolve 1 mole of acetic acid in water. Okay. So here already I told that if they give any compound without mentioning the moles, we have to consider it as 1 mole. Okay. So according to the problem, there is 1 mole acetic acid. So here, if you dissolve 1 mole acetic acid in water, then it undergo ionization, that is said to be dissociation, being acetic acid is electrolyte. Okay. Here, consider this as 1 mole of particles. This 1 mole of particles after dissociation gives 2 moles of particles. Okay. So here, this is before, this is after. Okay. As per the definition of vant factor, what is there? Number of particles after dissociation or association divided by number of particles before dissociation or association. Okay. So here then 2 is number of particles after dissociation. Okay. 1 is number of particles before dissociation. In each and every chemical reaction, the reagents on left side is to be considered as before, the reagents on right side is to be considered as after. Okay, 2 by 1. Then, how many moles you can get if you dissolve 1 mole of acetic acid? How many moles of particles we are getting here means 2 moles of particles we are getting. Okay. Now let us see what will happen. In benzene, if you take acetic acid in benzene, if you dissolve acetic acid in benzene, okay, so if you dissolve 1 mole of acetic acid, don't consider it as 1 molecule of acetic acid, 1 mole of acetic acid in benzene, then what will happen? Let us see. Here the association will take place. Association. Association means each and every 2 acetic acid molecules combines together to give associated molecules of acetic acid. Okay. So here if you take 1 more, then you can get 0.5. Okay. Here this is 1 before association. This is 0.5 after association. Okay. Then here according to vant factor, number of particles after association, that is 0.5. Number of particles before association, that is 1. Okay, 1 mole. Consider this as number of moles, then it is very clear. If you consider it particles also, there is no problem, being concept is clear. So how many moles is what? 0.5. Then vant factor in benzene is 0.5. See here, vant factor in water for acetic acid is 2. Vant factor of acetic acid in benzene is 0.5. Okay, this is the right answer. Like that, you can do some problems, and you have to create some problems and make it solve. Okay. We will do different exercises on different concepts. Thank you.